The federal government has called on state governments, the private sector and community leaders to take the right path by scaling up interventions aimed at preventing HIV transmission among children. Minister of State for Health and Social Welfare, Isiaq Salako, made the call at the World AIDS Day commemoration ceremony held in Abuja on Tuesday. Salako stated that government strategy must be holistic and capable of aiding and addressing the social, cultural and economic barriers that hinder access to healthcare services for women and children. He charged relevant stakeholders to renew the commitment to ending the HIV/AIDS epidemic in Nigeria, adding that together they can build a healthier, more inclusive future for all.
The Federal Ministry of Health and Social Welfare will continue to work closely with state governments, development partners, and civil society organizations to scale up these services, particularly in underserved areas. Preventing mother-to-child transmission of HIV remains one of the cornerstones of our strategy. Nigeria is committed to ensuring that all pregnant women, regardless of their location or socio-economic status, have access to the necessary services that will allow them to give birth to HIV-negative children.
In his remarks, UN resident and humanitarian coordinator Nigeria Mohammed Paul stressed the need for the United Nations government agencies, development partners, civil society organizations and communities to continue to collaborate to create an environment where everyone's rights are respected, protected and fulfilled, and children grow up healthy and free from HIV/AIDS.
AIDS as a public health threat, there is a need to promote, protect, and fulfill the human rights of all people living with affected by HIV/AIDS. The path to end AIDS is not easy. It is indeed the right one that we have to take. We can end AIDS as a public threat if human rights of all people living with HIV/AIDS or at risk of having HIV/AIDS are upheld.
And ensuring that every child can grow up in an HIV-free generation. World AIDS Day offers the moment for us to reflect on our progress, to address challenges, to strengthen our efforts in the ongoing fight against HIV. It also reminds us that despite advancements, challenges still persist, especially among the marginalized communities.